I'm so at Walmart today. I need to get some things for mostly Valentine's, and we'll just call it our Valentine's Day haul because there's a lot of things I had to get for just some recipes that I'd like to share. Yep, this is what happens when your kid uses your car and doesn't clean out the trunk, and you just shove it all up in the back. Thanks. Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. So today I wasn't really planning on doing a haul, but I got to Walmart and I just started to buy more and more things that were going to be for this following week. I knew I was gonna get it, and so I'm calling this my Valentine's Day haul. So I'll get started. First things first, it's happening. Valentine's is right around the corner. And so Wednesday, because I work all day and I'll be done at 4:30, I just want to make it quick and easy. And so I have this idea that I'm not going to try to tell too much about, but let's just say it has to do with pizza. And I want, if you'd like to know more about how I'm gonna execute this, head over to my Instagram, and on the day you'll get to see. But in the meantime, I'm going to be showing you what these ingredients are for, and also I'll be showing them on my Instagram too, how we're putting together the kids' Valentines. So back here first is, I did have to get some meals. So I got some more Nathan's. That'll be a great weekend lunch. And I only got one of these frishettas, I think I'm saying that right. This is actually one of our favorites. So for freezer pizzas, it's really good. But I have to go to the other local store because, believe it or not, Walmart didn't have everything I needed. So I need to go to the local store where they have more variety of these and better price. I think they're on sale. And the good thing about Valentine's Day is a lot of things are on sale with strawberries and whipped creams and things like that. So be thinking that way too. I got some more eggs, and oh wait, let me just show you before I do that, this. So tomorrow we're heading over to the Phillips house, and I got, look at Danny, Tina, I got Driscoll's. And so tomorrow what I'm doing is strawberry cheesecake chimichangas to take over to their house. And they look delicious. I haven't done the recipe, so this is kind of a Pinterest tryout. So I'll be filming this recipe tomorrow. And really, there is nothing that could fail in this one because delicious. And so let me show you some other things that I got. So I am making, with this and this, a lot of sugar cookies. And the frosting is here. Now, I could show you this recipe, but it's my mother-in-law's and it's kind of a family recipe, and I'm not sure if she wants me to share it with all of you guys, but I hope so. Maybe you should go to her her YouTube channel and ask her if I could share it. That would be awesome. Go flood her latest video at Back Row Rebels, and it's the link's in my description box, and tell her that Ines really wants to share the cookie dough recipe for the sugar cookies if she will let. Okay, so Jonah or Ezra drinks this, and they even had it in chocolate this time. So I'm so excited to have him try that. Let's see, we have Grandma Sycamore and some cheese to make cheese sandwiches, and pretzels for lunch, of course. Now, I don't usually buy these smaller bottles, like these individual Diet Dr. Peppers, but they were having a great sale on them. So for all of those, it was $4 with the sale. So I thought that was a great price, and hopefully kids can limit themselves to one. Ha ha. Let's see here. Oh, these are Ezra's favorites. He calls them the frozen cheese. So when people come over and they're like, why does your kid want frozen cheese to eat? That's what it is. And this is going to be for Valentine's as well, to go with that theme, right? I saw those. I thought that would be fun for Valentine's morning to have some pink oatmeal. Now these and these are going to be for my kids' Valentine's. So I will be showing how we're putting those together, and I have a printout. So if you're interested and would like it, just send me a request at my email address at howinesrolls@gmail.com, and I will send you the link to these Valentines. So I'm aware that kids just throw them away, so that's why I just like to print them out so they can just throw the Valentines away. But you'll see how those turn out. They'll be super cute, and I'll be posting that also on my Instagram feed. Let's see. Okay, so I usually buy a big box of these at Walmart, and they were usually like $7, but each of these were on sale for $2 each. So for the same amount, I got them for $1 less. We just like to put the top ramen in the storage in the pantry so the kids can get to them whenever they feel like it. I'm thinking I'm going to make a tater tot casserole this week. So we have some breakfast sausage. And look, I went and got some more baggies, so no more contagion baggies. These here are for decorating the sugar cookies. These are going to go with some Valentine's treats, these two. And then these ones are just to make sure my boys don't touch the Valentine's treats. I'll cross my fingers and hope that doesn't, or hope that works. So I have some cute little napkins and plates for Valentine's. That's pink juice back there. Some just paper towels, and look what I got. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show you. I got this cute little shirt. So cute. I can't wait to try it on. I hope it fits. I'm pretty sure it will. But it was $3. So check out your local Walmarts. I think a lot of clothes are going on clearance because the spring stuff's coming. And I think this is perfect like color. It's kind of like a deep purple, pinkish purple, for Valentine's Day, I think. So all in all here, I spent $140, and a lot of that is like prepping stuff. So I can't wait to show you, be looking for the recipe that I'm making, the strawberry cheesecake chimichangas, and the Valentine's put-togethers on my Instagram. And I'll talk to Sandy to see if we'll do the cookie recipe, the sugar cookie recipe, which is really the awesomest sugar cookies you'll ever have. So I'll talk to her today. And we got some little treats here for my family that I'm super excited to surprise them with on Valentine's Day. So I'll be showing some pictures on, like I said, my Instagram, and maybe you'll get some ideas as well on what to do for your family for Valentine's Day. Now today's video is just an extra video, so I'm super excited to show it. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and you'll be seeing out some more, I'll be rolling out some more videos on Monday, so stay tuned. Like I said, you never know what I'll be rolling out next, but it's Valentine's. Bye.